Why are you crying? PNP members and supporters who gathered at the party's headquarters were taken through the full range of emotions. Each seat won, cue celebrations. But each seat lost, cue silence.
75 of 80 boxes, the incumbent Donovan Williams seeking to hold it for the JLP.
Then around 10 p.m, reality set in. It wasn't their night.
I think we're winning this election. I don't know what went wrong, but there's a button every cigarette.
But it also meant 3 straight defeats in a general election. Hundreds of dejected supporters headed for the gates. But those are the ones who had strength to walk. Others, broken by the loss, had to find support by leaning against walls or railings. They cried openly.
We really lose, brother.
You were saying something about sufferation. What do you mean?
They say the country has sufferation, and the liberal government now, everybody ever did. Me not ask the Christ, because the liberal don't care about nobody more than himself. Me, she not get a work from them. Yeah? So we don't want the country to come back to PNP, because PNP is for the poor, liberal is for the rich.
Mommy, why are you crying?
I'm not sure I can take 5 more years out of this, because let me tell you something. Under the Labour government, you can't buy food. You work and you can't hardly maintain yourself. You can't pay rent, you can't do nothing at all to help yourself.
I'm going home to cry. I wasn't crying here. But it's crying. I'm going home. I'm very hurt. I'm hurt.
Their view clear. They cannot manage another 5 years in what they describe as the political wilderness. PNP President Mark Golding had to make a concession speech. He admitted it was a tough speech to make.
I think it's my duty as a believer in democracy to acknowledge and concede the result and to congratulate our opponents, the Jamaica Labour Party, for their victory tonight. Jamaica's democracy is important and we must cherish it.
The tone subdued, the mood reflective. A contrast to a few days ago when it seemed to the party's hierarchy that the stars were aligning for a PNP win.
And I want to say that this was a wonderful demonstration of the maturity of Jamaica's political process, that we could go through such a closely fought election without any violence to speak of. And, we must all give ourselves a round of applause